Welcome back to our channel. If you're struggling with short lashes and need a mascara that can help them look longer and fuller, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 mascaras specifically designed to boost and enhance short lashes. From curl-enhancing formulas to lengthening wonders, we've got the best options to elevate your lash game. Let's explore which mascara will be your new favorite. Kicking off our list at number 1, Benefit Roller Lash. The Benefit Roller Lash Mascara is designed to lift, curl, and lengthen short lashes with its unique brush and formula. It's known for its ability to give lashes a dramatic lift while adding both length and volume, making it a great choice for those with shorter lashes. Key features: Roller Lash features a distinctive roller set brush with a curved design that grabs and lifts each lash from the root. The formula contains provitamin B5 and serine, which condition and strengthen lashes while providing a long-lasting curl. The brush's design also helps separate lashes for a fuller look. Benefits and usage: This mascara is perfect for achieving a curled and lifted lash look, adding length and volume to shorter lashes. It's ideal for creating a wide-eyed effect. To use, start at the base of your lashes and roll the brush upward in a zigzag motion to lift and define. The formula provides a lasting curl, making it great for all-day wear. Usability: The roller brush design ensures precise application, making it easier to reach even the shortest lashes. The formula is smooth and buildable, allowing for a clump-free finish. It's suitable for sensitive eyes and can be layered for a more dramatic effect. Durability: Benefit Roller Lash offers excellent staying power, maintaining its curl and definition throughout the day. It resists smudging and flaking, but you may need a gentle makeup remover to fully cleanse it off, especially if used in multiple layers. In the second spot, we have Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara is known for its ability to deliver both volume and length, making it a great choice for short lashes. This mascara combines a rich formula with a brush designed to enhance and define each lash. Key features: The mascara features a natural bristle brush that helps to evenly coat and separate lashes. The formula is enriched with conditioning ingredients like rice bran wax and carnauba wax, which help to strengthen and lengthen lashes. The mascara provides a buildable formula for customizable volume. Benefits and usage: Lights Camera Lashes is ideal for adding both volume and length to short lashes, giving them a fuller appearance. For best results, apply the mascara from the base of your lashes, wiggling the brush as you move upward to build both length and volume. The conditioning ingredients help keep lashes healthy and soft. Usability: The bristle brush design ensures even application and helps prevent clumping. The formula is smooth and buildable, making it easy to layer for a more intense look. It is also suitable for sensitive eyes and contact lens wearers. Durability: Tarte Lights Camera Lashes offer strong staying power, maintaining its volume and length throughout the day. It resists smudging and flaking, though it might require a gentle eye makeup remover for complete removal, especially if applied heavily. Coming in at number 3 is the Lancôme Définicils High Definition Mascara. Lancôme Définicils High Definition Mascara is known for its ability to define and lengthen lashes with precision. This mascara is designed to enhance short lashes by providing a defined, high-impact look with a long-wearing formula. Key features: Définicils features a slender, precise brush that allows for exact application and separation of lashes. The formula includes a blend of polymers that help lengthen and define each lash while maintaining a natural look. The mascara is also designed to resist clumping and flaking. Benefits and usage: This mascara is perfect for those looking to define and lengthen short lashes with precision. Apply from the base of your lashes to the tips, using the brush to separate and define each lash. The formula provides a long-lasting finish, making it suitable for all-day wear. Usability: The precise brush design ensures even application and helps reach even the shortest lashes. The formula is smooth and buildable, allowing for a clump-free finish. It is also gentle on sensitive eyes and ideal for those who wear contact lenses. Durability: Lancôme Définicils High Definition Mascara offers excellent staying power, maintaining its definition and length throughout the day. It resists smudging and flaking, though you may need a gentle makeup remover for complete removal, especially if layered. Taking our fourth spot is L'Oréal Telescopic Original. L'Oréal Telescopic Original Mascara is renowned for its ability to deliver extreme length and definition. This mascara is designed to enhance short lashes by providing a long, defined look with a specialized brush and formula. Key features: Telescopic Original features a patented flexor brush that helps to lengthen and define each lash. The formula includes microfibers that adhere to lashes, adding both length and separation. The brush's design ensures precision and even coating. Benefits and usage: this mascara is ideal for adding significant length to short lashes, giving them a defined, elongated appearance. To use, apply from the base of your lashes, using the brush to extend and separate each lash. The formula provides a long-lasting finish, making it suitable for extended wear. Usability: the flexor brush design ensures precise application and helps to reach every lash. The formula is buildable, allowing for a customizable look without clumping. It's suitable for sensitive eyes and offers a lengthening effect that enhances short lashes. Durability: L'Oréal Telescopic Original offers strong staying power, maintaining its length and definition throughout the day. It resists smudging and flaking, though it may require a good eye makeup remover for complete removal. And finally, at number 5, we have Clinique High Impact Mascara. Clinique High Impact Mascara is designed to deliver both volume and definition, making it a great option for short lashes. This mascara aims to enhance your lashes with a bold, defined look while being gentle on the eyes. Key features: High Impact Mascara features a large, volumizing brush that helps to coat and separate each lash. The formula includes conditioning agents that help to strengthen and volumize lashes while providing a rich, intense color. The brush's design helps to build volume and definition. Benefits and usage: this mascara is ideal for adding volume and definition to short lashes, giving them a fuller appearance. For best results, apply the mascara from the base of your lashes to the tips, using the brush to build and separate each lash. The conditioning ingredients help to keep lashes healthy and soft. Usability: the volumizing brush design ensures even application and helps prevent clumping. The formula is smooth and buildable, allowing for a customized look. It is suitable for sensitive eyes and provides a bold, defined finish. Durability: Clinique High Impact Mascara offers excellent staying power, maintaining its volume and definition throughout the day. It resists smudging and flaking, though it may require a gentle makeup remover for complete removal. Thanks for watching our guide to the best mascaras for short lashes. We hope this helps you find the perfect product to achieve longer, fuller lashes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment with your favorite mascara, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. See you in the next video.